I'm Sai Kaustuv Das Gupta, 90% physically disabled due to a rare brittle bone disease. So more than 50 fractures already happened to my body. That's why I cannot sit for longer hours and work. It pains my back and all the portion of body. So I had thought of a solution. I made it possible so that I can lie down and work also. So as you see in the video, this is a table. It's a height adjustable table and it can bend up to my body by lower side, and then through the laptop I can work easily in lying down position also. So here in my left side, because only my left hand one finger works, so here I do the mouse and I do laptop graphics work, video works and all the social media things. So it helped me to continue work in lying down position whenever I need it.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.